Welcome back to our second video where we go over the quiz that you just completed. Let's get right to it. The first question says, Patrick bought a box of 12 donuts. He ate 7 of those donuts and gave the rest to his friend Kyle. How many donuts were given to Kyle? Well, let's draw a picture. We have 12 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we know that Patrick already ate 7 of those donuts. So I'm going to put a P for Patrick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The rest of the donuts were eaten by his friend Kyle. K for Kyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many donuts does Kyle have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The answer to this question is 5. Now, you could have done it a few other ways. You could have made a number sentence. The number sentence, we know that we had 12 total donuts. So 12 is how many we had. We also know that that Patrick ate 7 of them. And we don't know how many Kyle had. Well, if you know your math facts, you know that 7 plus 5 is 12, or you can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The third way you could have done this problem was with a number bond. We have 12 on the top. We have 7 donuts, which we know that Patrick ate. And we have some other number of donuts. And again, we can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the answer to your first quiz problem is 5 donuts. Let's move on to your second problem. Kelly has 16 marbles. 6 are blue and the rest are red. How many red marbles does Kelly have? Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we know that out of those 16 marbles, 6 are blue and the rest are red. So let's draw in our blue marbles. B for blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the rest are red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many red marbles do we have? We have 10. Let's make a number sentence. We know that we had a total of 16 marbles, so that's going to be our equals. We know that we had 6 blue marbles and some other number of red marbles. If you know your math facts, you know that 6 plus 10 is 16. But if you need to count, that's okay too. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 marbles. And we know that our answer is 10. The last way that you could have solved this is with a number bond. So for our number bond, as we know, we have 16 marbles. So that's going to go on the top. We also know that we have 6 black marbles and some number of red marbles. Again, if you need to, you can count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10. So again, no matter which way we do it, the answer is going to be 10. So for question number 2 on your quiz, the answer was 10 marbles. That concludes our math intervention lesson number 2. Now, please go on to clever.com and log into iReady and do 30 minutes of your iReady lessons. They are tailored specifically for you. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.